Waziri Boborendi boimena bwego mokonyi bw'ikyama kya siasa ya Jubilee niko bono Fred Matiang'I gukwana sekani umuyogo yo mubwikanisa ne kiwori tukuri arere nsemo ya Nairobi gaiga niko airire chinkwana chae na komochia waziri Aden DUALE huyo nyara Kobaga kubwatoka chinkwana chae matuka bwango ga kochecheria Egesaku kya ABAIKOYO niko bono hatebire chinkwana bune ECHIO na chira chekone kya Kobaga abananchi asaburira serikali kwire getambo kerogyo kwene kya Abarai nkurobare chinkwana chinga kecho niko bono OMOCHIRIE okobora Boborendi ase ya Kenya nemono ase ebusasa tebire niko ababegu babire bakoenekia kwa abananchi chinga kichinkongo kwegandaria asa tebire abananchi bacha mu basire nsemelyo kwamerera serikali asopo choryo bonne boli bosi umwaka wocha.
We have seen some things that are very interesting recently. I saw a cabinet minister talking about Kikuyus in the wake of the Okala elections and using language I can't even repeat, especially when I'm in church, in reference to a community in the country. Lakini unajua Biblia pia inatumia haya maneno. Si unasoma story ya wale wasichana watano wa wise na wengine watano walikuwa wajinga. Hao watano walikuwa wajinga ni kama huyo waziri. Kwa hivyo hata Biblia inasema unaweza kutumia hilo jina hapa. Very foolish, you know, because the leader has done profile communities.
We have to act courageously and firmly on these matters. You can't tell me that with the security capability we have, people are moving around the streets of this country with rungus and pangas and arrows and so on and so forth, and threatening people, disturbing meetings, stoning people. Those silly things should come to an end. And we have a government in place. We are not a country without a government. We are not a banana republic. We have a government in place, a government that is legitimately in office. We all respect the government. Act decisively, Mr. President. And firmly, and ensure that these things are sorted out. And then when people do these things, whether they are your friends, whether they are in your government, sort them out. The law is there for all of us. That's what is supposed to happen. In my view, and one of you was asking me what I would do. This thing wouldn't happen if I was president. I mean, you would never ever talk about this thing if I was in charge. Never. How? I cannot be commander-in-chief of a country where people carry rungus around and beat others. It will not work. Simple. And anyway, if you want a solution to those issues, I think I am that solution. Yeah. Thank you.